this is the brand new Antigravity A1 8K 360 drone, fresh out of the shops. Paid for it myself, and this is an Insta360 JV with a couple of companies, so it's not DJI. It comes. This is the ultimate bundle, the infinity bundle. So this comes with quite a lot of accessories. So let's see what's in the box today, shall we? So let's just open this up. And how do we? Oh, okay. So there's a bag right there, as you can see, and then scan code for you to get instructions and user manuals. Let's see. Let's have a look at the bag. And in the bag, oh wait, hang on. Here is manuals. Yeah, looks like a manual. Quick start guide, safety guidelines. Class 1 information. Yeah. I think this is the care package. The instruction manual for the quick reader, and a warranty card, and some cool stickers. Yeah, why not? Okay, so let's put that aside and see what's in the bag. So in the bag we have a whole bunch of stuff. So let's start from the top. We have here the lanyard. I think this is supposed to hold on to your controller so it doesn't fly away. It's another lanyard. What else do we have? I think there's 2 of these eyelets covers for the goggles, and a cable for the controller, the power controller. Just a quick reader. Just the other goggle cover, lens cleaner, and another USB-C to C cable. And in here are 8 spare propeller sets, so that's good. Okay, and then what do we have here? Let's start with the smallest thing, and this would be the controller. So let's have a look. There's the controller right there. It's really nice. It's a bit light, a bit plasticky, but it'll probably just do the job, right? And then they put some sponge here. These plastic things are really good, by the way. You might want to keep them. And we have the goggles itself, and the goggles come with a little plastic protection cap here, like that. That's pretty good. It's pretty neat. You might want to keep that too. And an instruction manual. That's the goggles itself. Looks pretty sleek. It's not heavy or anything. I think this will probably sit on your face for quite a while, so it can't be too heavy. And here we have okay, so there's my second take. So I opened these bags already, but there's the battery and controller, I think, for the goggles, and some plastic cover. And this is the batteries for the drone itself and its charger. Looks pretty sleek, right? And there's a USB-C input there, and a little button to check, probably, that you have. Yeah, okay. I'll get to that. And this is probably the drone itself. It's kind of a nice little case here. Let's see what this is about. Oh, okay. So the Antigravity logo. We got the drone comes in its own little felt case. This nice little pull tab, and that's the drone. That's pretty. That's very light. There we go. Tiny little drone. And there's the third battery right there. And this is the Antigravity A1. I'm gonna try and fly it next time. It looks really cool. Okay.